go down the big slide?
Yeah.
No, it's a one-hump camel. I think the horse and the camel. Welcome, happy Sunday. We are on our way to countryside, New South Wales. Come join us in the trip.
Still spring in Australia. The weather is really nice and not too windy like the last few days. Bless you. Wait, the kids wanted to go somewhere, so we are taking them to the canola fields in New South Wales. Ari wants to go to Canberra jungle. Don't know where that is. It's not even a concrete jungle. We are at Murrumbateman, country town close to Canberra. Got really popular now and is as expensive, if not more expensive than Canberra. Ari's hungry, so we probably will stop at Yass. This is where we were having picnic and we went to Barton Dam. Ari and Agan are hungry, so we just gonna have some lunch at McDonald's. I think Ari's hungry for Happy Meals more than anything. Agan wants to go to KFC. You wanna go to McDonald's?
Okay, sounds fair. Stop with some back. Yes.
We are going through the historic town of Harden in New South Wales. This is the main street where the shops are. Not too big, but a cute town. Bit of traffic for a Sunday, I have to say. We stopped again for a quick break at Harden now. It's a quiet town. And the kids saw the play equipment here and they wanted to go. You can see again and Ari in the play area now. We'll spend a little bit of time and then we will continue our canola exploration. Are you gonna slide down this one?
Hey, do you need to go down the big slide?
Yeah. With the fuel prices are very cheap here compared to Canberra, 30-40 cents cheaper. We just filled up. We'll stop at the canola fields.
Farm. Houses. Houses to be inside the farm.
Oh, look at the beautiful canola fields.
Mama, quickly! This is where there's no canola.
There. Oh, I think we can go closer than the car.
Mama,
Are we going to stop there?
We can stop here if we want.
aha! I know!
Look, there's people.
We can park on the side of the road. I see other people parking on that other side of the road.
There will be more places, baby. Isn't it pretty, Ari?
Here or straight?
Yes.
We'll keep going.
Daddy, I want to rabbits again.
What,
I
baby?
want rabbits again. Oh, we can't walk this.
That's where we get the.
Just finished at Harden. Kids spent a little bit of time in the play area. We filled up fuel, and then we drove towards Young. Young is famous for its cherry, and we saw some cherry orchards and strawberry farms on the way here. Planning to go to the Chinese gardens here. We are at the Chinese gardens in Young. Has a name to it. Let me go see the signboard and find the name and information for you. Look at the beautiful cherry trees.
We are just going this way.
We almost here, guys. Clutch and all like that.
There's maybe another thing.
A dragonfly's in the water. Huh? That's so weird. The dragonfly. Go back here.
Oh look, one of the lion is opening the mouth, the other one. Baba.
Mama!
Come.
I like we need to.
One second. Ari, we are going this way. Come on. Fishy, slow down.
Let's take us to the Australian park. We all can find looking at the dogs and everything.
Yes, baby. We are in the garden, baby.
Honey,
Whoa.
Ari,
Go up here.
it's a new place.
Whoa. We almost at something cool. Daddy, guess what it can be?
Ari, slow down.
Everybody, please, we're gonna see more things. Let's see what's the next one. Let's see what's the next one, Mommy. Take it out.
Nice, beautiful garden.
Daddy, stop. Daddy, wait for Mommy. That's what I see.
You have to come, but there's. Okay, come on.
Oh, it looks Mommy. Now, where's the
Hi. We'll just take a video and then we'll go. Daddy's waiting for us. Ah, I think this is for this one.
A ladybug. A ladybug over here.
Oh yeah, ladybug.
Daddy, I saw a ladybug. No. Daddy, if you want to see something else.
No, it's a one-hump camel. I think the horse and the camel are friends. Finally, Ari, we saw a camel.